Now in second step we set location, project location. So from project location tab you select location, so click here on this. So we have two options, so we can set by internet mapping services or by default city list. So we can select this default city list and our project location is selected in London. So we can also use internet mapping services. So here you see this in London we have different area, it takes some time, and you can select the we have this scanning way, and similarly you can set the exact location from internal mapping, but we can prefer by selecting this London UK exact location by default city list. Select OK. So we can set the location of our project. After that we can set unit, project unit. So click on project units. So we have this HVAC units. So here you see these are HVAC units. So airflow, normally we CFM, cubic feet per minute, we set this in CFM. So airflow density, so cubic feet per square meter, we set this. Similarly airflow by this cubic feet per ton of refrigeration. So similarly we set this airflow divided by volume. So select this cubic feet meter per minute cubic foot. So similarly we set cooling load in ton of refrigeration, or you can also set these in BTUs. So we set watt per square meter, British thermal unit per square hour. So we set cooling divided by density. We can set each unit here. Duct size, we take duct size in inches, mainly in inches. Duct insulation thickness in millimeter. So we set this in millimeter. So friction, heat gain, heat load, you can also change heat load in kilowatts or British thermal unit, BTU per hour. Power in kilowatt or in watt is also okay. So here temperature in centigrade, velocity in FPM, feet per minute. So dynamic velocity. So we can change units, unit setting of HVAC units. So in next step we set the project information. So here you can write the name of organization. Here Epic Solution is my organization, so I write here this. Similarly MEP consultant is my the description of organization. Building type, hotel type building. So author, you can write name here. So I will change this in capital. So write the name of author. Next is IFC parameter. So escape these. So root analysis, we will do this for energy setting. So issue date, you can write any date, like today is 15th of September 2023. Project is status. What is your project? Write here project status, client name XYZ, client, write client name, write here the address, write address of your where London UK. Select OK. So project name, so if it is your 15th project, so write the basic information here. So write we have done all kind of setting of first of all we set project location, then we set project units, and now we write all the project information. So in next step we will create spaces.